You just got juice from there. Yeah.
Where's that skibbity guy? Over 10 people in 10 minutes ask me why do I run like that? What? Does this look weird to you?
Are you in CT?
Definitely.
If he has ESP on, he's watching me.
Then let's start a funeral. What are you guys doing? To die. I'm getting stuck.
What do you mean? I take the easy way.
What?
I take the easy way, not the hard way.
Okay, I fell down.
No!
In your controller, that's better than
Calm down! No! Was it slow?
Yes. Yeah, I did.
Your stream is like on a delay, so every single time you do it, I can't hear it, but on your stream, I can.
Please don't tag us! Please don't tag us! I want to give you gift cards! Gift cards! I want you to gift cards!
Why?
No! 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 I do not accept that! No! Help me, please! I'm not losing you again! I'm not losing you again! I am not!